Right folks, I'm at Ermita Plaza. I'm going to take a wander around this place, see what it's like. Well, I've got to start off. Watch the guys playing basketball. Right, that's it, ready to kick off again. Oh, unlucky. There we go folks. These boys are quite good. They're that quick, I can't keep up with my camera. Basketball in the Philippines, very popular. Oh, unlucky. No, not in yet. 1-0. We got a goal. Oh, windy. Look at some of the street food that's on sale. Some of the street food. Beef, I think. How's girl getting her toes done? Don't look too happy. Oh, no, thanks, mate. Hello. Big fire engine. More street food. Hello. You want in the video? Hiya. But street food here, eh? Lovely. There's more street food. Smile, you're on camera. Yes, look. Just making up someone's dinner. There you go. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner. Apparently it's the Holy Week in the Philippines. I'm not too sure what that means. Obviously it's the Catholic stuff. Hey mate.